sound of the waves behind me, but around here is really quiet. So this is kind of secret place in this area.
にこうやって周りを囲って、そしてまた火事が起こった時に延焼しないようにということで、これをフクギを植えてました。なぜこれが防風林防火林として適しているかというと、この木の特徴としては木と木が密集して密着して植えても木が弱らないということです。通常の木だとこんな大きい木がこんな隣同士で生えてたら干渉し合って木っていうのは大きくならないんだけど、このフクギの特徴は直根っていって真下にすごくまっすぐ根を張るんですね。なのでもちろん横にも根っこは出ますけど、なので真下に行ってそれが一番柱となって風に強い、そして横にあまり干渉しないというのが特徴なので、こうやってこんな高い木がこんなくっついて、まるでこれ板状壁状に、こうなるともうこう横から見ると壁状に見えます。
So this place is called Kuninao Village, and this village has very special trees, like tree walls. So this is called the fukugi, and in this village, these trees are used to be a kind of wall between the houses and the road. And actually, you can see the original view here. So the trees are standing very close to each other, and this is a kind of a hedge around surrounding one house. And people go walk the road, but there is a hedge of trees, so it is separated the private area and the public area. And this tree is very special. That's why this is used as a wall, because they can stand very close to each other, but the roots stretch down to the ground, so they can grow standing very close each other, and also the leaves are growing very densely. So this is very ideal tree as a wall along the road. And also this has a kind of function of block the sound. So now I can feel it, surrounded by the trees. I can listen only the sound of the ocean and the birds, and then there's no other sound. This is very good way to use to block the sounds around the neighborhood.
私たちも食事をしながら笑いながらもう植えるんだけど、食を笑いながらこの木が大きくなる頃みんな死んでいないよねって話しながらも、子供や孫のためにということで植えてるところ活動しています。
So they try to hand the tradition down to the next generation. So that is a very good project, I think. Preserve the very natural way of life here. You can see that here. This frame, and I'm going to decorate this frame with the shells I picked. So So I completed my design for the photo frame. I found very unique shapes of the shells, so I put every single of the square edge, and I put some glasses. I love this, the feeling of this ocean, and I love the colors too very much.